Hi, I'm Barbara Diamond.
And I'm Pat Diamond, and we're with the Diamond Difference team with REMAX 1 in Lake Charles, Louisiana. And today we're going to talk a little bit about why a buyer should buy a house now. Barbara, we've been getting a lot of questions lately from buyers about what's going on in the market. And what is the first thing that seems to be going on, and the questions we seem to be getting is, what's going on with interest rates?
Well, over the last month or so, we've noticed that interest rates have actually gone up from about 3% already to 5%. And what the Federal Reserve is telling us that before the end of the year, probably they'll go up another 3 to 4 times more.
Mm-hmm. And what does that do to a buyer as far as interest rates going up?
Well, when you pay more interest, you basically can get less house for your money. You don't qualify for as much because it makes your payment a lot higher. So it's better to buy now, so while the interest rates are low, because you won't be able to get as much house for the money later down the road as they increase.
Now, one of the other things that I keep hearing about from buyers too is, what about all this stuff we keep hearing about multiple offers and low inventory, and we keep seeing all these national articles and everything about this. What's going on in our market?
Well, the biggest thing that controls everything is supply and demand. Most people don't realize that. And this is across the board in any profession or any kind of business that you're in. The less supply you have and the more demand you have, the higher the prices are. Mm-hmm. And the lower the inventory or the lower the supply, well, vice versa. The lower the demand and the higher the supply, then the lesser price you would pay. Mm-hmm. And so what's affecting us now tremendously is the fact that we have a very low inventory in the housing industry in the number of listings that we have available. So with the lower supply and the increase in the demand from buyers, you're going to see there are few houses and a lot of buyers, so the prices are higher, number one. And number two, you're going to get yourself in a situation where there may be multiple offers. So you have to be ready to act.
And how does that affect a buyer? What should a buyer be looking at in terms of how they look at the market right now? In terms of, are they going to have to, can they make low offers,
No. And a lot of them who watch the Home and Garden TV shows and think that they can get a deal on every particular house, they may be used to just offering a low price and then seeing where it goes from there. The problem is they need to listen to their professional realtor, and if there are few houses on the market in the price range in which they're looking, then what they need to do is be prepared to offer either a full price offer or at least do a market analysis, have their realtor do a market analysis for them to see what the actual value of the house is.
I know you had a recent case where you had a property that came on the market like on a Friday, had like 4 showings, and what happened there?
Well, one of the buyers offered a full price offer, and they're the ones that got it. The other 2 or 3, they wanted to try low and ask for closing costs and ask for the moon, and they lost.
They didn't come
Lost out.
Now, the other thing that I keep hearing about, and everybody's just worried about, is inflation. What seems to be going on there?
Well, the inflation rate right now, which is about 8%, is the highest that it's been in about 20 years. And so that too, as the Federal Reserve is warning us, will be going up as well. Mm-hmm. And the thing is, inflation can be good or bad. If you buy now and you lock in to a price, if inflation goes up, the value of your home is going to go up, so your value is going to go up with the inflation. Whereas if you keep thinking, well, I'm going to wait and wait and wait until it comes down, you may be out of luck because you're not going to get something, and you'll be behind the curve. You'll never be able to catch up.
So the good and the bad is the bad is if you wait, it's going to cost you more.
More.
The good is that if you buy now, you can take advantage of the inflation
Exactly.
as prices go up.
Right.
So these are a lot of the things that we're seeing out in the marketplace right now. We'd always, are here in case you have any questions or anything, or you want to make an offer on a property, don't hesitate to give us a call. And again, I'm Pat Diamond.
I'm Barbara Diamond.
We're the Diamond Difference team.